Okay, here I am at 7424 Douglas Boulevard, Douglas, Georgia. This is our space right here, right next to the Harbor Freight Tools. You can see our little 3-foot door. I believe that our loading dock, what we're going to be doing is cutting an overhead door in here. We'll have to take care to make sure that we're going to have some type of a ramp out here because there's a height differential of about 6 inches in the floor. You can see here that there is no handicap accessibility to this, so this is going to have to be modified. We have to cut this section out and create a handicap ramp here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big windows. The demising wall for Harbor Freight extends 1 foot 2 inches into this last window, but the interior window dimensions are 3 foot 9 by 7 foot in case we want to do anything with those. Walking into the space, you can see it's pretty wide open. We're right around 64 feet. It's actually 63 foot 4 to the inside, and we're 40, 60, 80, 120 feet deep. Right now there is 2 mechanical units that are taking care of this space. I don't know the tonnage on them. I can't get up on the roof. It is fire suppressed. Ceiling heights are at 13 foot 4. Bottom of the joists are at 15 feet. There is a VCT floor on here that we'll have to take up, as well as some carpeting. This was an old hot tub sales room or sales center. So all along the slat wall back here, we have several drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 drops, 11, 12, 13 on the columns. For power, that'll all be 208 3-phase, if I'm not mistaken. There's plenty of power in here. There's a little office group in this section. This will all just get wiped out. There is a 110 amp electrical panel in this back room, as well as the foam board comes in right here in this little side room, which I'll show in the drawings. So you can kind of see that power pole that comes down and up through the ceiling. So there's really no magic to that. We can put this in any place. But all this will just get wiped out. The space lends itself between these columns. These columns are approximately 42 foot 3 from the first column to that bump out of the front door, and they're around 41 foot 10 in between. So it kind of lends itself to our 40 by 35 showroom with a so if we come back, our like 40 feet here, 35 feet across will put us right about into here, this location, and then this will open up for our overhead door going back into the warehouse area. There is a separate transformer back here that feeds this place, as well as a little office section back in the back. This will all just get wiped out. There is plumbing back here though that we have to take care of. There's approximately 8 sprinkler heads that have to be raised, and the curious thing is there's a hallway that leads back to the existing building, all the way back to the main building electrical panels back here. This will be shown on the architectural drawings, which I'm getting from the broker. But this goes all the way back, so this will have to be closed off somehow. Really, it's a pretty clean job. You can see there's plenty of power looking from the front, or from the back, excuse me, towards the front. What I see is just basically wiping this whole area out, putting our overhead door up there, showroom. There is no bathrooms in here, and the sanitary lines do run in the back portion of the building. You see my cleanouts right here. So we will have to try to get sanitary or our bathrooms in here somehow. We'll have to check to see if we can just keep them in the back area, or if we got to pull these all the way up to the front by the showroom. But once again, that's it in a nutshell over here. One more quick pan. We do have an emergency exit in the back. And that's it from Douglasville, Georgia.